Good morning, students. Hi, hello, how are you all? I hope so you're fine and safe. Before starting this class, I wish you, those who are celebrating the festival, happy festival. So, me, Lavina Walder, microorganisms and us. Okay, they are friendly microorganisms, they are useful microorganisms. Some of the microorganisms are very useful for us. So, we are using the microorganism preparation of curd, bread, cake, and they are also used in cleaning up of the environment. Some of them are useful that animal waste, agriculture waste, or any of the phases. It will break down into harmless to usable substances. Phases means cow dung, animal dung. We call it as phases. Okay, it is also useful in medicine, and it also increases soil fertility. Let us discuss one by one. Commercial use of microorganisms. Commercial means microorganisms are used for preparation of something, and they are exporting that. For example, they are useful for preparation of alcohol. Okay, there are different types of alcohol is there. Okay, and wine, acetic acid, that is vinegar. Okay, your mom, she will add for vinegar for gobi manchuri, and those who are Christians, they will add for pork. Okay, alcohol means there are different types of alcohols are there. You are aware of that, I think, different types of alcohol. So yeast, it is used, generally we are using the yeast for commercial purpose to preparation of alcohol and wine. We are using the yeast. Okay, so if you want to prepare alcohol, okay, in your home, you are going to prepare alcohol. In shops, you will get Kingfisher, different types of alcohols are there. For example, you are going to prepare alcohol in your house. First, what you have to do, in a sense, you have to take yeast. Okay, yeast, then you have to add the sugar and a little amount of barley, rice, and wheat. Okay, little amount of wheat and rice. Then you have to put grapes. Okay, or you can put any other fruit juices also, and you have to ferment it for 14 days. After sometimes you will get the alcohol or wine. So this is the procedure of preparation of wine. You can see that the gas that will come out, it is nothing but carbon dioxide gas, it will liberate. Okay, so alcohol is also a smell of alcohol, generally it smell like yeast. Okay, the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called as fermentation. So even if microorganisms, they are used for preparation of cake also. So you can see that little amount a vessel is there, inside that wheat flour is there. Okay, it is after sometimes you can see it is puffing. Even if yeast they are adding in bakery products for preparation of puffs, samosa, crispy things, they will add the yeast. Okay, this is the commercial use of microorganisms. Medicinal use of microorganisms, they are used for preparation of capsules. Okay, capsule they will use. Generally these microorganisms, they will kill the bacteria and it will stop growth of disease. Antibiotics, see, if anyone will feel, if you are not feeling well, you go to the hospital, doctors will give you injection, or they will give one bottle and they will tell that it consists of a powder. Add 50 ml of water, shake well, and take 5 ml. Okay, it is also antibiotic. Okay, it is also antibiotic, and it will protect you from any of the bacteria and fungi, whatever disease causing bacteria it is there. It will stop, it will not allow that bacteria inside your body to grow. So that is the reason you will eat antibiotic. Streptozin, tetracycline, and erythromycin, these are the antibiotics. Some of the disease also, for cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis, can be prevented by vaccination. Your small child, vaccine they will give 3 months, 1.5 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, then 1.5 year. There is a vaccine is there, right, for 12 years. That is called as vaccination. It is also prevented by vaccination. This is a medicinal use of microorganisms. Soil fertilities. Some of the microorganisms are used for soil fertility. These microorganism, nitrogen bacteria, it is present in the soil. It will observe the nitrogen from the atmosphere, and it will transfer the nitrogen to the plant. Okay, so this will also increase the soil fertility. For example, the nitrogen, it is present in the air. Okay, nitrogen, it is present in the atmosphere. Plant will not breathe nitrogen, it will breathe only the carbon dioxide gas. So nitrogen, this nitrogen fixing bacteria, it will absorb the nitrogen, okay, in the soil, and it will transfer the nitrogen from the soil to the plant. By this plant will get the nitrogen, and the bacteria which will fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, we call it as cyanobacteria. They are called as cyanobacteria. Cleaning microorganisms, they will clean the environment also. Sometimes you can see that some waste food, etc., it is present in the dustbin. After some times, no, it will undergo bad smell. Okay, that bad smell is nothing but microorganisms will decompose this onion, cabbage into the useful mud. They will make the fertile mud. Okay, they will decompose the waste, they will decompose the complex into simple, they will break down, okay, complex into simple. They will destroy this, and they will make the soil fertile. They will clean the environment. Okay, they will clean the environment, and you will get the smell. That smell is nothing but methane gas. Okay, that is nothing but methane gas. Disease causing microorganism in humans. Microorganisms which give the disease, we call it as pathogens. Some of time you will open and you will keep the food, okay, and you will eat the pani puri somewhere nearer to the which the plates are not washed. Okay, some here and there you will get the diseases. So pathogen generally they will enter the body when you will breathe, okay, when you will drink the water, and when you will eat. So during that cases, the disease is transferred from infected person to those who are not infected. So microorganisms which is spreading from one person to another. Okay, you can see that corona also, it is spreading from one person to another, and some of the common cold also spreading from one person to another. Chicken pox also from one person to another. Tuberculosis from one person to another. That is called as communicable disease. You are doing communication. The disease is doing communication. That is the reason we call it as communicable disease. Okay. Example, you can see chicken pox, cholera, common cold, and tuberculosis, etc. There are some insects and animals, they are called as carriers. They will carry the disease. Okay, housefly also, it will carry the disease in their legs. Okay, on their legs. So that is the reason, kindly don't open and keep the food. Whenever housefly will come and sit in your food, it will dust the microorganism from where it has been brought, and the same food if you will eat, you will get the disease. Another one, it is called as Anopheles mosquito. It will give the malaria. So if that insect, it will bite it will take the blood of one person, which consists of parasite, that is plasmodium. Okay, blood consists of plasmodium virus, and it will inject that blood to the person who is not having the disease. By this, another one person will get the dengue fever. So you have to be careful of this organisms. So some common human diseases caused by microorganisms are tuberculosis, generally by bacteria from air. You have to take the vaccination from the age. Measles also. Virus, it is from air. Chicken pox, polio. One person leg is small, or some of the polio, it is from virus. Cholera, it is disease from microorganism, it is bacteria, and will get mainly from water. Okay, sometimes very rare from food, but mainly from water. So you have to maintain the drinking water, you have to boil and drink. Okay, and you have to consume the cooked food, proper cooked food. Don't eat the food half. Okay, proper cooked food you have to eat. Typhoid also from bacteria, with water, only from water. Hepatitis A, it is from virus, water. So you have to drink the boiled drinking water. You have to boil the water and then you have to drink. Main, it is from vaccination, it will get cured. Malaria, it is a protozoa, there is no vaccine for this. It is from mosquito, so you have to put the net or what is that, repellents. Okay, repellents you have to put, mosquito repellents, and you have to put the insecticides, or you have to spray so that mosquito shouldn't want to come inside your house or inside your garden. Mortine is there, repellent. Some of the Odomos creams are there, you can apply that so that you can preserve yourself from malaria and you will not get the disease. Thank you, students. I hope so you have understood. If any doubts, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.